To knit 3 together, you're going to work the next 3 stitches as if they were one. If your stitches are a little tight, you can take your right needle and go in through the front of the next 3 stitches and just give them a little bit of a wiggle to loosen them up a bit. And then to work the 3 stitches together, you're going to take your right needle and go into the 3rd and then the 2nd and 1st stitch. Just like that. And then you're going to knit them together. And then you want to pull on your yarn just a little bit to neaten things up once the stitch is on your right needle. And there's your knit 3 together. So let me show you that again. You're going to take your right needle and go into the next 3 stitches and knit them together. And then just give your working yarn a little tug to neaten up the stitch. An easier way to work the knit 3 together is to first knit the next 2 stitches together, and then you're going to slip that stitch back to your left needle. And now you're going to take the 2nd stitch on the left needle and pass it over the 1st. So with your right needle, you're just going to pick up that 2nd stitch on the left needle and pass it over the 1st. And then you're going to slip your stitch back to the right needle. So let me show you again. The easier way to do it is first knit the next 2 stitches together. And then you're going to slip this stitch back to your left needle. And now you're going to pass the 2nd stitch on your left needle over the 1st. So with your right needle, just pick up the 2nd stitch on your left needle and pass it over the 1st. And then you're going to slip the stitch back to your right needle. And that's the easier way to work the knit 3 together.